Hey guys, what's up? Today we have a 2011 Saturn Sky Redline. His intercooler actually has a hole in it, so we're replacing that. He bought an intercooler off a guy on a forum who upgraded his turbo, so he got a larger intercooler. Basically, I'm just going to start by taking the bumper off. Doesn't look like I have to jack the car up, but shouldn't be too hard. I'm assuming this will take me about, I don't know, hour and a half. Alright, so pretty much for this job, you're going to need a flathead to pop the little rivets off, a 7mm. Don't know why, it's an American car, but they use 7mm, so whatever. And Phillips head. So basically, I'm going to start by undoing the 7mm first, and then we'll get to the other one. So funny story, when I was driving this over here, I put his car on the thing that reads you the boost from the factory. I think these cars are supposed to make like 17 pounds of boost from the factory, and his was making 3, which is mint, but you know, it's kind of a hole in the intercooler, which we diagnosed with the vape, so you know it's legit. Lastly, there's some screws right behind here. I just got to turn the wheels to get to them. So, give you that. Once you get these 4 out, same thing on the other side, just turn the wheel, and they're literally right there. Just don't get the top one, because that's actually holding on the bracket. Probably easier to see here. You don't need to take that off. Alright, so that's it for the screws. Now we have the hardest part, at least I believe. If you can see down there, you can't really see it. There's a connector for the fog lights. That's probably the most challenging thing to get to in this car. But let me see if I can reach down there and pull that connector out. Once I get the bumper off, I'll be able to show you a little better. Oh wow, that just popped off. Gotta get this connector off right here. As you just squeeze this little end, it should just pull right off. Should and will are 2 different things. There's Eric driving old R53. This is his car. To me, it looks like what's left is just to kind of pull the bumper off. But it's going to be working as Here we go. Not too bad to get the bumper itself off. Looks like this air duct needs to pop off too. Alright, so here's Eric's new intercooler.
Hello?
That's Eric. We got the bumper off the car completely. Where I saw it was leaking last time was right here. It's kind of hard to see, but I mean, there we go. If you can see right there, there's a little crack. And I saw something over here, but I'm not really sure. We're going to do the vape test to make sure this one's all bueno. And we'll see what happens from there. Alright, so here's the vape test. You wanna hold the beast?
Moment of truth. I'm so scared. It is not coming out anywhere. Not coming out
so
anywhere. Let's go. We should show them the other one too. You can like cut this rubber.
Yeah, well, Eric's having fun with his new intercooler. I'm gonna go over here and
hashtag no more boost leak.
We're gonna try to get this.
It's mint, bro. It's mint.
Try to get this off. I have to like drop the tripod so hard.
Oh, I thought that was cracked for a second.
Probably. Those crack. It's just foam. It's just
Is it on?
Alright, so actually this is a little different than we were initially expecting. If you can actually see this right here, his intercooler kind of exploded. There's a nice giant split right there, which is great, because, you know, that's
definitely the problem.
I mean,
so
I figured it was when I did the vape test, like I said, but
yeah.
We'll do that again, so you can take a look at it.
That's what I want. Put it with the
Alright, now that you got that off, you pretty much have complete access to the couplers for the intercooler. Pretty much all that's holding them on is those, and that one is extremely loose.
I could probably cut off my underglow at this point.
If you want. So you take a...
This is what it holds on. Held on by.
Let's take a flathead that would actually work. Or maybe an actual socket that might work a little bit better. Alright, so we got the intercooler off. That was a pretty big bitch. It's actually dark now, but it only took us about 45 minutes to get to this point. So we're pretty good on schedule because I said an hour and a half before to do the whole thing. But if you can see there, that's not good. It's a giant,
No good.
It's a giant crack.
And so let's show what happens with the vape when you do the smoke test. You want to hold it up? Or you're just gonna...
Alright, wait. I gotta like lift the camera up for maximum angle, bro. Alright, Eric coaches. Wait, no. We're not here. You can see that this thing leaks just a little bit. Just a little, just tiny little bit.
Just a tiny boost leak, just tiny. And this also got fucking pushed in over here.
Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck.
I don't know.
Dude, it's me. Oh, look, what the fuck? Yours is dented too.
Okay, they come dented from the factory.
Factory dented.
Factory dented.
Alright, so we finished it. We're going to take it around the block before we put the bumper on it, just, you know, to make sure everything's all set and ready to go. So, hopefully this all goes well.
Think the check engine light like turn off?
No. It takes a couple of restarts. How's it feel?
It's idling like different than it did before, like how it originally did before the problem. I got my boost gauge on.
So you're good?
I think so.
Well,
I'm even gonna run. Doesn't sound like it.
Yeah. We're gonna take it around the block, and we're gonna see if it's making power. Because when I drove it before, when I tell you it wasn't making power, I mean I literally had to put my foot down everywhere, and then out of nowhere it would fucking just
Go into limp mode.
Yeah, and it would be.
And the problem, it's funny because usually when you go into limp mode in cars, it's because you're over boosting. That's how. Ugh. What the fuck? Usually when you go into limp mode in a car, it's because you're over boosting.
Yeah.
And this is total opposite. It's like if I don't fucking do a pull, then it would go into limp mode.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go around the block. Oh God, it feels better already. Oh, okay, yeah.
That feels great, dude. Hashtag don't blink a light. Where can I do a pull? Just because I want to.
You're gonna go left down the street, and then I'll show
right
you.
Here?
No, not here, not here, not here.
Right.
Go to stop. Give him a minute, because you're gonna be right behind him. Turn left onto the street. All right, so he's gonna do a pull here. So let's see what this is like. Yeah.
Through neighborhoods, I'm not about to.
I love the sound of this fucking car.
Sounds great. Actually, it looks mean with it down.
Alright, so we just took a ride. He hit 17 pounds of boost, and it was only hitting 14 before, so I'm assuming the intercooler has been fucked up for quite a while.
That is on a stock KO4 as well.
But yeah, it's a stock engine making 17 pounds with no tune.
There's KO4 in there.
Sure, whatever he said. So, we're going to put the bumper back on, and then I'm taking it for a whip.
Yeah. Yo, this is so mean, dude. My camera's so fucked up.
You think?
The back glass is missing.
Dude, I can take pictures with this camera and send them to you.
True.
This is like a $2,000 camera.
What kind of camera is it?
Fucking Nikon. I don't know if it's $2,000, but I'm just assuming it is because it looks fancy. It's probably like 30 bucks.
All the boost stuff from.
Yeah, dude, this camera's probably 30 bucks.
It's an intercooler right here, isn't it?
What?
It's an intercooler right there, isn't it?
Well, that was for his water. That was his water cooler. It's just an oil cooler.
Should I meth inject my car?
You ever taken meth before? That's how I feel about it. Doesn't sound like a good idea? Don't do it. Alright, lift your bumper up with me.
Well,
Oh wait, we gotta get the... Oh, dude!
What?
Oh, I know why you weren't making boost. Turbo!
Oh yeah, it turbo. You know, I don't know why it says turbo on there. That cools the brakes.
Guys, so I didn't know his car was twin turbo. He's got right turbo and left turbo. This is fucking awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Right turbo and left turbo.
I like left turbo.
It's that. It's actually the brake turbo.
Oh god. Almost died. Almost died.
Mama, I made it to Forbes.